Hello, my friends and my brother and sister. Today I want to comment to reading about the Bible. Jesus talk about to the disciple. Okay, we know something important thing, but we don't understand everything. This is the right thing about the Jesus talking to his disciple. Here is the I want to read it for you. Is the one verse. Okay, one verse. Okay. Matthew chapter 13, verse 11 talk about, okay, he replied, the knowledge of the secrets of the kingdom of heaven has been given to you, but not to them. No? But not to them. Only give to you, but not to them. Okay. We had to be think about here the knowledge, no, the kingdom of heaven between secret. All right, here is the Jesus talk about this like this. No, ito na ko na kasi suka tuda baka na no pa isira puti pa no bagiti mala awati tau tagi no tale takiti panin di lo tevda di la no le mata sero sita sabot sita ne tevda di lo no do wera si shata ro siba o agidi I muku abamu atakutu ni ta he tinya tulo မိမိအဝဲသေးတစ်ဖာနေတတဟိတင်ညာမဝဲပါမိမိအဝဲသေးတစ်ဖာနေတတဟိတင်ညာမဝဲပါเนาะမိမိသီးနေတတတင်ညာသူเนาะတခုတူလပေါ်ဥရတခုတူနေမိတမနေတိမီလေဖဲနေလီမာသဲအဆဒဒိုเนาะလီမာသဲအဆဒဒိုတစီတဆဘခိစီရဲ့နေတေဘပွာလမနေတိမီလေ Matthew chapter 11 verse 25 more verse talk about this. As the time Jesus says, I promise you, the Father, no, Lord of heaven and earth, because you has hidden them from the wise and learning, and revealed them to little children. Revealed them to little children. Okay. This is mean the time, no, Jesus, no, at the time Jesus said, I praise you, no, Father, I praise you as Father, no. Let them go up Lords, I have, no, I Lords of heaven and earth, because you have hidden this thing from the wise and learning. What does it mean about the from the wise and learning? Okay. Hello, no? Hello, yes. You love Jesus is that the right thing. Okay, my friends, my brother and sister. Jesus can do so many things. He came to earth, okay, as we love Jesus. Yes, we love Jesus more than we love any other person, right? Because Jesus is the right person we chosen. Okay. Thank you so much, my friends. Okay, thank you so much. Now, let us no. Here Jesus talk about the because you have hidden the thing from the wise and no and the learning. Okay. Do you think about that you okay, you are wiser, you understand everything, right? King of heaven is the hiding thing. Okay, king of heaven is hiding thing. Okay. Thank you so much, my friend. Yes, no, yes. Okay. Good to have people. That's the right thing, no? Let us look up a sukumota pay, no? Lima the asado the sitter ni teba pwadi lo no lima the asado the sitter no Matthew chapter 11 no verse 25 ni teba di lo no pekle kwa page se polo pa kanyo klo ni no 25 ni teba di lo no 25 ni no agato phene yesu katu seta ro siweda Munkuro hoku akasa pa pasito patronalo praise you, no? Agiri talpa in a pakutu, no? Quilo, no? Pua kuta thiro, pua tusa atasa. Tapa menyado, ma prato ole, pussy the paro, no? Little children, no? Little children, no? Kita nak guna pakro patu patala tagi tir pai le petamu pusikolo, no? Pai ni pakle kuala, no? Ta sunya tatoni teba kuala menuti mile, no? Teba kuala menuti mile, no? Matthew chapter 16 verse 17 talk about Jesus replying, "Blessed are you, Simon son of Jonah, for this was not revealed to you by man, but by my fathers." Okay, here, okay. Here Simon answered about Simon Peter answered, "You are the Christ, the Son of living God." You are the Christ, the Son of living God. Okay. This means about the Jesus taught reply, "Blessed are you." No, blessed are you, Simon, son of Jonah, for this was not revealed to you by man, not revealed to you by man. Jesus want to talk about that. This is a people, okay, the people talking to you and you understand not this way, okay, because of but by my Father in heaven, okay, the God given speak us to Simon Peter. This is mean about that, no? Let us look at Pakratinya Sikola to Sihuni Deva Palomini Timide, no? 16, no? Pegle Qualopani, 16 Deva Palomini Timide, no? 16 chapter 17 verse 17 talk about that yesu could sit down on siba or so simo no so simo ba yuna nabasugi nelo agidi tati nyaro tat no tanya do tatu ni to lo plaba wele naba meme yapa o wele mukuro tatu ro tanya ni to lo plaba le naba no meme yapa o lo mukuro no ba manukuro ka sa yesu te odini le ne bethnya sikolo we asira mimi tiwete yi no pagte ma phain ne te ra la so simo petru ka tu sel siweda neda yi ne mi create yala amuwe daga apho khwa lo no yala amuwe daga apho khwa lo no phain ne te ra la no Pain, the Son of the Living God. Now, when it bethina sikolo, tagi did pan sikolo, no. Pay pekle qualo, Kasunya the Tony, Katutara Palomnity Mile, Kasunya the Tono. Mark chapters 4, verse no, 11 talk about that. Mark chapter 4, verse 11 talk about. Okay. He told them the secrets of the kingdom of God has been given to you, but to those on the outside, everything is said in parable. Parables means something talk about no parable thing. Okay, example. Okay, they don't understand it. No, let us go to pakro patu patala. Hey ni no. Pagde ma le lima ko sero lui mano tebra le lima ko sero lui mano pagle kwa le lima ko sero lui ni teba pwa le muniti mile no lima ko sero lui no support sitter no lima ko sero lui support sitter mano teba pwa le no teba pwa le ni pay no dosi ba teba o jwa bomu takutu ni ta Hiti nyatulo mimi le pa ulo kurpane takele ketole takatudule amenyalo takatudule amenyalo no wa kasajwa atakatuti pane kero takatudulo pagitena makatudura no katudura ta lo pagitena mata de ne leda de ne giro katudura no here is the okay Jesus told them the secret of the kingdom of God has been given to you, but to those on outside, everything is set in parable. sorry about that နော်လက်တနခုတော့ပကလေလေဖိနေနော် degree 3နော်now First Corinthians chapter 2 verse 10 First Corinthians chapter 2 verse 10 talk about like this okay but God has now revealed is to us by his spirit the spirit now searches all things even the deep thing of God even the deep thing of God okay you should think about it this is just the spirit searching all things the spirit no away sick on a pacrapa to pathala tatted pile patama puno no I want a metal takro about way patapitama pusicolo no pacratinia pacronapper no pacroleda no pacro no pacro twe matwe lepatamupu again clonelo no pain it terra degree to a shadow key a support to see terra di no degree to a shadow key a support to see terra di no terra di basado yalo pla or atada way le pal no le palo agiri tane khune takele ta yubakado yua dale ni lo ta yubakado yua dale no awani mitala pagide mala pa ta khune ta awani mitala agitamile pawe na ya te pha grapa tu pata la pata mu pusikolo no we should think about no pain it the deep not the deep things of God no look at what up a lo here's no pakete mala pain no pakle kwala John no First John chapter 2 verse 27 it deba padile no First John no First John chapter 2 no verse 27 no verse 27 it deba padile no as for Jews no the anointed Jews resist from him remain in Jews and you do not need anyone to teach you but as him anointed teach you about all things and as this anointed is real not counterfeit Jesus just as it have taught you remain in him okay remain in him remember this my friends my brother and sister no let no good or pain no pagakatuda bakala tagiti the pai mo no tira no patbalu maluda ala ke soba tewida din mo no patbalu maluda aba ba munile petlo maluza ba pagete ma din mo no later you are sado key no sabo kissing nui ni teba pwari le kissing nui mo no kisi no le tell you ha sado key no asapo kisi nui ni teba pwari le pay mo no do ta pulo tu do ne le awe taga o we so we le tu pu do pwa tuki tu a lot to oba we ba no patuki a lot to oba we ba no mimi data pune no ta pune tuki tu lo ta khele agi klo do me ame ato do ame ta ba no do ta me ba ta kabli kabla ba do dita di atuki tu atuni otuwe so tuwe le apuriki tatuki toki tu letana kutaro name pekden mala pan we understand about the gospel nobody can teach us right nobody can teach us but we understand about the who teaching us the spirit not the holy spirit the gospel teaching us no let no kutaro ne pamaluda alodo lo ba no pakro patu patala tatir phai le patama bulo no let no kutaro pakro sukumo do pakro le petino pha le pata umupu no pata le takipu pata utasupu ne lo no pay ni pa sukumo pakalera le clear got a bullshit of pain no pakadera malo Colossians chapter 1 verse 26 ne deba wadi le no Colossians no away ni pakadera mala ta no ta kota ke si ko lo pata umupu lo no talo palera pakira pa upasu no no panero pa tinya si ko lo no karitu pane Colossian no dagritu kiritu kalati episu Colosse no episu Colosse hey no little kutaro pakra tinya pakra na palo betamo puma no pay ni pe edo le kwa le dagritu asado de asapu kisi do hu ne deba body le kisi hu mana kisi hu ne deba body le pay mana pagale kwa the no pagale mala mysteries that has been keep hiding for age and generation but is now not disclosed to the saint not disclosed to the saint little good lucky good ni deba bara deba bwala ta umu uge tir pha le pale le paki do po upasu tir pha apu no pagite ma din mo no po upasu apu do pata pita ma Colosse no le Colosse sarut no asapu kisi hune deba bwala muniti mile pe no di to yemi he u kado do tu do tu ta si top petra ka atolo yehula yesu kri apulo no awani yemi ugdo tu ne no yemi he ugdo tu ne no yemi he ugdo tu ne tu ta si top ka atolo no kota ro ni pakra patu pata oh pay mo no Colosse sorry mo no pay ni tebra la saluta asapo kisi hu ma no sorry no kisi hu ni tebra di pasita atu ta khutu la o khutu no ti asusu kha ba sa do khekne I lo plato atala apwa so si tapa amenya lo plato atala apwa so si tapa amenya jira no awani puite mala First Corinthians chapters 1 verse 26 ne Deweda ne no pen no disclose to the saint no pen associated parmenya 26 no little good my friends my brother and sister no thank you so much for today about the knowledges no here is the Jesus talk about the Matthew chapter 13 verse 11 talk about no he replied, the kingdom of the secrets of the kingdom of heaven, no, kingdom of heaven has been given to you, but not to them. Only give to you, not to them. No, people they don't read the Bible, they don't pray, okay, and then they don't follow teachers, okay, they don't follow Jesus. Whoever God is, okay, Lord, they know Lord, they can preach, they can pray, whatever, okay. Only just the God can show to people, okay, knowledge and the kingdom of heaven, okay, secrets, everything is belong to God. This means that God only can give you, okay, nobody can give you, okay. Thank you so much, my friends, my brother and sister, okay. Tonight, just the thing, only just one topic about that, the knowledge of the secrets of the kingdom of heaven has been given to you. Only just this one topic. Thank you so much. About 20 minutes ready about this. No, today is the December 28th. Okay, I want to see you next so many day. Okay, thank you so much. God bless you all. We see you again. Bye bye, all my friends. God bless you.